Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, you're going to see me attempting to clean for the very first time since having baby number 3 2.5 weeks ago, and since having an emergency C-section. And let me just be honest that the recovery has been a little bit of a rocky road, but I'm finally feeling better and I'm finally feeling up to doing a few small chores around the house. So I'm moving slow, but I'm moving. I'm in my purple postpartum sweatpants, as I have named them, and my black postpartum sweatpants, so staying comfy. Hope you enjoy me trying to tidy up and gain control of the kids' toy room on my first time back trying to be a housewife who cleans. It was slow. I'll get back into it though. Let's get into the video. Oh my gosh, look how messy this room is. This is what happens when I don't clean. And this is like 2 weeks worth of cleaning, not making the bed again after my mom had left because we washed the sheets. There's just so much crap that needs to be put away. There's no nice way to say it. So I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking during this video, but you're going to see that it took me quite a while to even just get the toys like out of the way so that I didn't fall and break my neck, especially while holding a baby. So between the baby and my other kids, it does take me a couple days even just pick this room up, but it was a good place to start for my first cleaning project back in the game after having my C-section. So like I said, I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. This is me just picking up the toys, taking some things back outside to the garage, organizing just a little bit, but I mean, you'll be able to tell from the video pretty much what I'm doing, so I will let you enjoy the rest of this cleaning video.